कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे?
बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे।
बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे।
मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। पापा ने पैसे दिए नाच रहे थे। भैया ने लड्डू दिए खा रहे थे। आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? गाजर की टोकरी में सो रहे थे।
गाजर ने लात मारी रो रहे थे।
मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। पापा ने पैसे दिए नाच रहे थे। भैया ने लड्डू दिए खा रहे थे। आलू कचालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
crow was feeling thirsty, flying here and there, searching hard for water in the sunshine's glare. Far away he noticed a pitcher shining bright. He flew down very quickly and landed with delight. The pitcher had little water, his beak could not get through. He longed so much to drink it, but didn't know what to do. He thought a while so wisely, I'll try another way. He saw some tiny pebbles, on the ground they lay. Pebble, pebble, dropping in, the water slowly rose. Pebble, pebble, dropping in, up and up it goes. He picked the stones up one by one, holding with his beak. Dropped them in the pitcher, the water reached its peak. At last the water lifted, so near and crystal clear. The crow drank it happily, his thirst did disappear. He spread his wings so joyfully, flying high and sweet. All the world